Morning, guys. It is June 9th and it's 9:13. I just got off the phone with my doctor's office. We have a second ultrasound scheduled for June 21st. So I will be like 8 weeks and 4 days. So that'll be exciting too. We will see how much the baby grew in just 2 weeks. But I'm just gonna make eggs right now, and then we're probably gonna go fishing. You look ready already. Me. Just made an omelet with cheese. And I think our AC is broke because I tried to put it on last night and it didn't kick on. And we tried putting it lower and it's not kicking on, and it's on, so that's nice. We're gonna have to call the maintenance guy. But I'm just gonna eat this breakfast and then we're gonna get the hell out of this house. So we're going into a bait shop right now and we're just gonna get some bait to go fishing. This cute little bait shop. All these crabs. Fish in there. Got some live shrimp in that bucket. I also got a cute little sticker for my car. I'm gonna put that on my car. Almost there. Can't really tell, but the water looks really pretty, like flat. Looks like a mirror.
I think it's high tide.
Trevor thinks it's high tide. All the pelicans. That pelican has a fish in its mouth.
Fish over here.
Look, neat. Fighting over it. Oh, there he goes.
It's like a circle of waves over there. Like
I don't see
the
it.
water's like flowing weird.
We have a good feeling about today. We usually don't catch anything. Sometimes I'll catch catfish, but those are just annoying to catch. But Trevor says he has a good feeling, right?
Yep.
You. God, they freak me out. Oh, our little shrimp. Is that my pole? Huh?
No, you can use it for now. I'm gonna set up yours.
Alright. I'm gonna catch a shark today. I have a feeling. You see the dolphins? They're kind of far away, so I had to zoom in. Oh, there's one. Yeah. I think those are dolphins anyway. They look like dolphins. I wish I could zoom in more, but this is as much as it zooms. Super cool. I walked a little bit closer to them. Ooh, there's a little one. There's a lot of bait fish over here, so Oop, they must be feeding. So cool. love dolphins. Aw, they look tiny. So I was over there looking at the dolphin, and Trevor yelled at me, the pole went off, and he caught a fish. Would you catch a catfish? Stupid catfish. Ugh. Gross! We hate catfish. They're just slimy and I don't know. Catfish are just like a waste of a catch. We put the catfish back in the water. It lived another day. Aw, they're getting closer. I wish they'd come over here so I can get them real close. Oh, there they are. Oh, they're over there. I don't know if I've ever seen a wild dolphin or a pod of them like this, so it's really cool actually. Some more of them coming. That one looks like it's missing its fin. Poor guy. Looks like his fin's chopped off. Ton of fish jumping. So Trevor casted his line and we still got a catfish. Oop. We can't win. Forever catching catfish here. I don't want to touch it. I just caught a jack. Flip him in the water.
Hey, calm down. Yeah? Don't tire yourself out.
I reeled him up all by myself. That's what I caught today.
Good teeth.
Let him in the water. That was a fun reel. He's gone. Fun. Yep.
Oh, that's probably big enough to keep.
Yeah, it's big. Trevor caught a snapper. You got him right in the gill. You hooked him right in the gill. You didn't even hook him in the mouth.
I think they're all over here because I was getting bites like crazy.
There he is. Look at those teeth. That's why they're called snapper. Yeah, right. We usually eat them, but we don't really keep our fish that we catch because we don't know how to fillet them. Oop. He's gone.
I want to cast out here again.
Even on someone else's line, you catch catfish. Hey, so we kind of forgot to end the vlog. So basically we just left from going fishing, and then we just went home and watched movies, and Trevor just went back fishing. So he's back there with his friend fishing, and I'm just gonna edit the vlog. I'm supposed to have work tomorrow, but I might get canceled. If I get canceled, I'll try to vlog if we're doing something, but see, we're just gonna edit the video, right, so? Ow! Don't scratch me. So, get off. No, you're not grabbing the string. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Say bye. George says bye.